way I could eat a dozen donuts and run a 5K.
You gotta squish them, you know what I mean?
True. I mean, maybe if
Compact
it's
them.
the Round Rock donuts. Have you had Round Rock donuts?
I need to get over there, so
Oh
no.
my goodness.
Got an audible wow in the back there.
I know, I was gonna say,
I know,
Noah
I've been a
shocked.
Shipley's guy, but I've heard really good things.
Oh, it's really good.
You gotta switch it up.
It's delicious.
Next time I'm
Anytime
up
I'm at
there.
a store in Round Rock, I always stop by.
Bring me some next time. What are you being selfish, all right? All right, hey, Almanac today, 90 degrees was the high, 85 is the normal high, sunset at 8:14. Certainly a hot and humid day for May standards, but we're cooling down past those showers that we had through Austin. Cooling out tonight to those 60s and 70s when you step outside for your Mother's Day. You should be fine for the morning, maybe a spot shower. Our rain chance is minimal until the late afternoon hours, but even so, most of the daytime hours, I'm not expecting some heavy rain. We'll go from mostly cloudy, brunch plans, 81 degrees. You'll feel the humidity, 92 by 4 o'clock. Highs in the mid-90s in the Austin area. Winds will be out of the east-southeast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So let's talk rain chance as you move into your Sunday. So 10% isolated for 2 p.m., 4 p.m. But watch what happens late evening into the early overnight hours, scattered to numerous rounds of rain. So right now, clouds in radar, some leftover outflow boundary downpours in Fayette County. South of Hayes County, moving towards San Antonio, weakening showers. So I'd say about 95% of us are dry. Through the overnight, we'll see some clouds building in for our eastern counties here 7 a.m. Fast forward to the afternoon hours, 5 o'clock. All blue sky. So you're going to be outside tomorrow and you're going to be thinking, well, there's no way it's going to storm. Well, that sunshine's building thunderstorm fuel, and there's a cold front that's going to be slowly working in further south and east. So by 7 o'clock, most of the hill country is seeing some steady in pockets of heavy or torrential rain, and right on the outer edge of this line of storms, that's where the strongest wind gusts are. So fast forward to right around 9 o'clock through the I-35 corridor, and this is taking on most of the 15 counties we're watching, just to show you that rain chance is going to be rather high through the late evening hours tomorrow. By 10 o'clock, this slowly builds and clears further south and east of Austin. Still our eastern counties getting some strong thunderstorms, leftover pockets of showers. Here's midnight. Fast forward to the early morning hours to kickstart your work week, and just more clouds than not. Storm Prediction Center has a level 3 out of 5 severe risk for about half of the viewing area. North and west of Travis up toward parts of the hill country, level 2 out of 5 in Austin, further east, and a little bit of Fayette County in that level 1 out of 5. More specifically, in these cold front linear setups, wind is the primary concern. I can rule out some areas of large hail, not too concerned about that, but it's not zero for that risk, as well as an isolated tornado and pockets of street flooding. Rain chance stays quiet with some high pressure ridging through the work week. Next Saturday, there's a signal for some sort of rain showers. We do know beyond the cold front, 81 on Monday, and then I got 90s Wednesday, Thursday, Friday into next weekend. Normal high is 85 degrees this time of year. So here's the KXAN first warning weather 7-day forecast. No need to move around brunch plans or afternoon plans, even dinner. But if you have a late dinner, doing something after dinner, I would try to push it a bit earlier with this severe risk, and we have more updates for you on KXAN.com/weather.